Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute smiling flower using lots of glittery colors. Let's get started! Welcome to Glitty Art! First, I draw a big round circle for the disc florets, which is the center of the flower. Then, I draw the ray florets around it. These are the petals. Sunflowers can grow very tall. Some even reach over 3 meters, 10 feet high. Next, I draw a straight stem, going down and add 2 big leaves on both sides. I draw a small smiling mouth and 2 adorable eyes. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray and black for the eyes to make them shine. Then, I color the disc florets in the center using red. Their simple round shape and bold yellow color make them perfect for kids' art projects. For the ray florets or petals, I use yellow to make them look bright and happy. Sunflower seeds are not just pretty, they're yummy and full of nutrients. People eat them roasted or use them to make sunflower oil. And finally, I use green for the stem and leaves to finish our flower. Our cute flower is all done! If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glitty RT for more sparkly and fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye!